At Gebesa, after more than 50 years of commitment to innovation and leadership, we are taking an important step towards sustainability today. We have installed 2,251 solar panels across our facilities, covering more than 67,275 square feet. Thanks to this investment, we will generate over 2.38 million kilowatt hours of clean and renewable energy annually, enough to cover 100% of our energy needs, preventing the emission of 1,428 tons of CO2, which is the equivalent to planting more than 65,000 trees each year. This achievement strengthens our commitment to a more sustainable future and the creation of furniture with a green spirit. By choosing Gebesa, our team members and customers can be confident that they're trusting a company that truly cares about the planet.